welcome to the craft studio.
Here we are once again.
Here we go. So on the blog, one of the most popular blog posts that I've ever created is how to recover a dining room chair. And we are so excited about the Maker Studio paint and the fact that it's just one step that we thought it would be fun to show you in the show how to make over a chair. From top to bottom, we're going to change the fabric, we're going to paint the chair, we're going to show you every step because we know this is something that you probably have a chair around your house that you'd like to redo.
Yeah, this is pretty ratty looking actually.
So, and you know, that's what I love is that you can find chairs like this for just a few dollars at like, you know, Goodwill or antique stores, different places like that.
Flea markets.
And, but you know, they're going to have things like this kind of, you know, yucky ripped up cushion, but the bones of the chair itself are super cute and
wait till
really
you see
good.
this chair when we're done.
So, without further ado,
let us begin.
Let's go. So, the first thing that we want to do is step one, we're going to take the cushion off the chair. To do this, we're just going to flip it over.
Oh, I'm getting the
power tools out now.
Power tools, here we go.
Most chairs are going to have some screws in there that are attaching the cushion to the chair frame. And what you want to do is you just want to find those, set your drill to reverse, and we're just going to back these screws out, just like that.
Easy. I'll set them over here so we don't lose them.
Yes. Yeah, don't lose them. Okay, and then you can just, whoops, it'll pop right off. And if it needs a little hit with a hammer, you can do that. So we're going to set that aside for a second.
All right.
The next step is we're going to clean off the chair.
I'm putting gloves on. You don't have to, but I'm just very, you know, I don't know, paranoid or something. Amy's stuff is very good though, but.
So, you know, chairs are going to have cobwebs and things like that on them. So first we're just taking a rag, giving it a little wipe down, get the dust off, things like that. So once you've got the chair wiped down, we're going to take the furniture cleaner.
Yes.
The reason that I love this furniture cleaner is because when you have chairs like this, we have no idea where this chair has been, what's been put on it, things like that.
No idea.
So
don't want to know.
It's a good idea to do a quick wash over it with this cleaner. Get anything off that would act as a surfactant, which means something that would keep the paint that we're going to put on from adhering.
Dirt, oil, anything like that.
Wax, you know, liquid gold, all kinds of
Pledge.
cleaners like that can interfere with the paint adhering to the wood. So we're going to use that. We're going to take just a little, give it a little shake, just get a little bit of it on a rag, and then it doesn't take a lot, just a little bit. I'll let you do your side, Mom, and I'll do this side.
Okay.
And you just want to go over the whole, all the wood, just making sure it's kind of a light stripper. So once you've got that over the whole thing, you want to let this dry for about 5 minutes.
Oh, that's not long.
Yeah, not long at all. We want to make this look much cuter. So obviously you could completely do refoam if you want to, or you can take some fresh batting and cover it. All you need for this is the batting and a staple gun.
I love that.
Easy peasy.
Now, this foam is still pretty vital. This fabric you could go and take off, but you don't have to. You can just cover it with that, and then we're going to show you.
Yep, we're going to flip it over. And you can see here, it's been stapled on before, so we're just going to staple it again. And we're just going to go around the whole cushion and staple this on. And so now we want to put our finished fabric on. So for this, we're using actually one of my fabric designs that is available on Spoonflower. We'll be sure to share a link. I love this really sweet floral pattern.
I love the color.
Thank you. So we're going to just, same thing, just like that, wrap it on here, flip it over, and staple it on. So we've got our bunting on, we've got our fabric on, we've stapled it, and look at how cute.
That is very cute.
So now it just needs a happy home.
I'm very proud as a mother to know she designed that. Oh, well.
All right, so we're gonna set this aside. Our chair's had a moment to dry. And now The real fun begins. This is my favorite part because I love the instant gratification of seeing it change.
Too. What's that color?
We're going to use biscuits and gravy.
Biscuits and gravy.
I think we should eat some biscuits and gravy after doing this chair.
I don't know. I'm ready.
The thing I love about this, hopefully you can see in the overhead camera, it's this beautiful, it's creamy, it's white, but it's not like stark white. It's warm and it looks like deliciousness. All right, so
don't eat it.
Don't eat it.
Tempted,
While it smells lovely, and we have these awesome Maker Studio brushes that Amy has specifically had done, and they are made of these synthetic bristles, which really make a wonderful difference when you're painting with the amount of paint you can get on there and things like that. We only have one of those right this minute.
She gave me the good brush.
Mama's getting a good one. So when you're doing this, just like we mentioned in the last one, you want to get your paint on your brush, and then you want to offload a little bit. You don't want to just go straight from the container to the chair or piece of furniture, but we're just going to get painting. Again, this is one-step paint. So we're just going to be able to paint the whole thing.
I'm going. I'm on.
We don't have to put a sealer or anything like that on it when we're done with it. So once you get your first coat on, you want to let it dry for up to an hour, although it may not take that long. Ours didn't take quite that long. But then you're going to need to probably come back in and do another coat. At least for us, we did with this chair.
The darker finish, yeah.
Yeah, the darker wood, and then we were coming back with a white. So we, needed to come give it a little extra love with some coats. But now we're ready to put the chair cover back on.
Yep. And it's very humid here today, lots of rain, so that takes a bit longer too.
Yep.
Ooh, that looks pretty.
It's gonna be so cute.
Oh, that's a lady's chair. This
Yes.
is a lovely little vanity lady's chair.
So we're gonna reattach this and we'll show you some really pretty styled photos of it. But we hope that you see that making a chair look brand new, even when it's old,
is really easy.
It's so simple with the Rescue Restore paint from a Maker Studio. So we hope that you guys feel inspired to tackle your own chair projects now. It really is simple. Doesn't take a lot of time. This is something you can easily do in just a couple hours, if that even, because it didn't even take us that long. So it's a great project when you're trying to decorate on a budget, make something special. We might even add a few extra little touches to this chair. Who knows? I think it might be cute with some gilding, but we'll see.
And using Amy's great paint, no odor, it's fabulous, except for that lovely essential oil.
It smells so nice. So again, we used biscuits and gravy on this, and a fabric from my Spoonflower line. We'll be sure to share the links to these in the show notes. So hope y'all enjoyed this.
Thanks again for joining us. We had a great time today. Listen, come back later and Jennifer, tell them.
Yeah, so again, if you have ideas that you'd love to see us cover, topics or products or party ideas, food ideas, senior living ideas, whatever, please email us ideas@celebratingeverydaylife.com. And until then, thank you so much. We hope that you have found ideas, inspiration, and encouragement to help you on your journey of celebrating everyday life with Jennifer and Lucinda.
Bye-bye.